Hello everyone, are we live right now? Please are we live? Are we live? All right. So we were discussing some important trades during our community session on Zoom. We discussed some important trades over there. So let's follow up what is happening in those trades and let us discuss something with you as well. Let me try my best to help you as well. All right, let us discuss what is possible. All right. So let me go through the different charts. What is happening? Whatever we discussed on our Zoom session. Let us see what is the progress in those charts, and let me help you with certain trades which can benefit you as well. All right, all right. Let us see what is happening. Let us see what is happening. Yeah. All right. Give me a moment. Okay. लेट अस सी क्या ट्रेड कर सकते हैं हम अभी. ठीक है, जर्मन 30 पे आप आइएगा. दोज हु ट्रेड इन द जर्मन 30. See, we were discussing in the class that the market might reverse from this area. When we were in the class, we discussed the price was here. Price was here. See, at one, the price was hovering around somewhere here, and we were hoping to for it to come down. See, we've marked also. We were hoping for it to come down, and it has started coming down. It has started coming down. So let us see. Let us see. What might just happen is the market might decide to reverse from here as well. Market might decide. The market has got a rejection from a very important level in this area. Market has got rejection from this important level. Now it might come here and come down till here. But what is the another possibility? Market might just stay here for some time, hover around, do some time correction here, and then give a breakout above. So till then we'll have to wait. What is important in trading is that we wait for a proper setup and then make an entry, and not hurry through it, not rush through it. All right, only we make an entry only and only when we get our setup. All right, only and only we get our proper setup, we make an entry. We make an entry only when we get a proper setup, proper confirmed setup. All right, so the longer entry, see, it's a 1 hour chart, so we will not obviously get the target in this session only. But yes, if I've marked it for you, if the price comes till this zone, this is an important zone. If the price comes down till this zone, makes a proper breakdown after staying here for some time, if the price gives a proper breakdown of this area, then we can plan a target till this area. Do a partial booking in this area, do a partial booking on this level 2 3 6 8 9 1 2 5, do a partial booking here, and the rest you can book at 236 to 6.72. Because why are we doing a partial booking? Because we do not want the market to reverse from here, which is a possibility, because the setup on bigger time frame is a very good setup. But yes, if the market comes down, it can come till here. But if the market decides to move up, then again we have to wait for its time correction here and a proper breakout after time correction. All right, now for the scalpers, see, the market can easily come here. 1 second, give me a moment. What is happening here? What is happening here? Yes, yes. In the bigger time frame, market is see, there's an important fib level in this area. There's an important fib level in this area from where the market is rejecting. All right. But yes, since it's a bigger time frame, 4 hours time frame, it will not give the move so easily. It will not uh, give the move in the next 5 to 10 minutes. But yes, in the long run, if you analyze it, if it comes below this level, we'll go till here. If it goes above this area, we'll go till, we can plan an upside trade as well. Above the breakout of the zone, we can plan a bullish trade as well. Above the breakout of this zone, yes, you can plan a bullish trade as well. Preferably this red level, plan a bullish trade above this red level. All right. All right, all right. Yes. See, this area is risky for as of now. A bullish trade or a bearish trade in this area is risky right now because of the setup in the bigger time frame. So in the smaller time frame, we have to plan our trade accordingly. We cannot close our eyes to what is happening in the bigger time frame. We have to see it properly. Otherwise, see, a bullish entry could have been possible here, but since we're seeing what is happening in the bigger time frame, we will avoid this entry here. Otherwise, a bullish entry on the retest of this zone was possible if the bigger time frame aligned. But since the bigger time frame is saying wait for a proper setup, then we should be waiting for a proper setup, because on 1 hour and 4 hour, the area is not safe for an entry. Only small scalps are possible, but no perfect or sure entry is possible. The scalpers who are good at making quick entries and exits, only then you could plan something of, like, if you're good, happy with like 5 points, 10 points, 5.7 points. In those cases, smaller time frames, you can trade, but it's not advisable to trade on smaller time frames without aligning with what is happening in the 4-hour time frame or 1-hour time frame or other bigger time frames. All right, so yes, we've discussed this. Let us wait for this to come down till here. From here, if it gives a breakdown till this here above the zone, we can plan at least till this area 24175.76. If it breaks above this area in this 4-hour time frame, if it gives a proper breakout, this should go at least till here. But since it's 4-hour time frame, it will not easily go till here as also. It can go in days to come. If it gives a breakout of this area, it can go till here, but it will not be so easy for it to go till here. It will do time correction here. So yes, for now, we'll have to book at this zone 24180, 24165, 2180. This zone will have to book. This is also not a small target. Yes, it is a 90 points ka target here also. All right, Nets, we discussed something in gold was not so clear today. Yes, gold was not so clear, so we were waiting. Gold did not give a very clear setup today. We will wait for it. Yes. In silver, there is good setup again on the bigger time frame. Again on the bigger time frame, we have a good setup for silver. See, if there is a breakout above this area 37.921, 37.906, 1 second, this area is 37.896 above the wick. above this wick, if there is a breakout above this area, it can get a rejection from this area because this is an important zone, and this is the trade that we can plan. I've marked it also on the screen. On the bigger time frame, this is the possibility. If it, see again, if it breaks above this area, it will be a bullish trade. If it breaks below this area, we have to sell. We have to sell. We cannot enter into bullish trade. All right, coming to the lower time frames as well, you can see yes. All right. Now let's see what is happening in GBP USD. One second, USD. Let's see USD JPY. See, what we always do is we make a zone or a trend line. If there's a breakdown, you trade the breakdown. See, this trade, as we had discussed in the class, this trade did not even open. We would have opened this trade only when this area broke down. Our entry was at this level only after a proper retest. We did not even enter in this trade. The market is going up. We did not even enter in this trade. One second. Let us see if there's a possibility for a bullish entry here. Let us see if there's a possibility for a bullish entry here. See, we draw these levels and POIs to perfect our entries and exits. So to make our entries and exits perfect, it's important that our levels are also perfect. If the level is not perfect, on what basis are we going to enter or exit our trade? So this is the basic but the most important thing. If the levels are not good, the entry won't be good too. What is happening in 4 hours? The market is rising. What is happening in 1 hour? 1 hour. What is happening in 30 minutes? Let us remove it for now. If it comes below this trend line, then we can plan it again. But for now, 1 second. What is happening in 1 hour? All right. What is happening in 30 minutes? Not bad. 15 minutes. 5 minutes. 30 minutes. 1 hour. We're all below. Yes. So what you can do is, I think scalps are possible, but no good or proper setup is possible. I think you should wait. Scalps are possible, a small scalp above the zone till this area, but there are hurdles in between, so you'll have to be careful. So it's better to avoid the trade for now, because see, if you trade bullish, there are number of hurdles in between. The number of hurdles you will not have enough risk. You will have to wait, and the target will not be enough. It's only 8 pips target, so that will not be enough. So it's better to wait in this right now. Let's come to the next chart, USD JPY. USD JPY, as you can see, a trend line is forming here, and above this trend line, if it breaks above this trend line, then we can plan an entry. Then we can plan our entry. Right now, the market is wanting us to wait, and if we don't wait, we might hit SLs. We don't want that. We will have to wait. See, this level is important. This level is important. Yes. If this trend line, if the price breaks above this left trend line after waiting here for some time, gives a proper breakout, retest this level, then we can plan an entry till this level. This is also like 8 pips, this is 18 pips. All right, you will have to do partial bookings. All right, see trend line, what is the problem with trend line trades? Trend line trades, every wick will be a hurdle in your way. If you go above from this place, it will be if you enter here at the breakout of this trend line, this will be a hurdle, you'll have to book here. Then again this will be a hurdle, you'll have to book here. Again this is another hurdle, you'll have to book here. All right, so if you want to scalp, small scalping is possible. 5 points, 8 points, 7 points, that is possible. Otherwise you should wait till this level, and above this level you can enter till this level. See, from if you enter here at this till here is your target is possible. All right, so wait for a proper breakout of this big zone, and till here you can plan. All right, let's understand GBP JPY. GBP JPY again is forming a zone on the 4 hours, and yeah, we'll plan small targets. If above the zone, if it goes above the zone, this is the possibility, and if it goes below the zone, this is the target. All right, we do not trade when we do not understand what is happening in the market. We only trade when we are clear what is happening. At least we can understand what the market is trying to do. We may not know where the market will go. We do not need to know as well. If it goes below this, I will make an entry till here. If it goes above this, I'll make an entry till here. Simple. All right, now moving on to the next chart. Let's see AUD USD. Let's see AUD USD. So this is again an important zone in AUD USD. This is again an important zone in AUD USD. This is an important zone in AUD USD. If this zone is broken out, if there's a breakout of this zone, you can plan an entry and your SL. 1 second. Yes, this will be your target. If you there's a breakout of the zone of 0.64961, please mark down this level, 0.64961. If there's a breakout of this level, your target should be 0.65076. 0.65076 will be your target. All right, if there's a breakout of 0.64955, then enter only 30% of your quantity at the breakout. If the market allows you a retest, then make full entry, and then your target will be 0.65079 will be your target. All right, moving on to Ethereum. Let's see what's there in Ethereum. Ethereum again has a trend line setup. Ethereum also has a trend line setup. If the market allows, see, market is consolidating over here. Market is consolidating over here. If the market gives a proper breakout and a retest, and there is an entry, if there is a retest entry possible, if you get a retest entry, then just below you give this SL. If there's a breakout of this, then at a retest you can plan an entry, and the target should be till here. All right, we are discussing a 30 minutes time frame. You come down again, this trend line will be there, right? This trend line is coming from a bigger time frame. This trend line is coming from a bigger time frame. All right, I hope I'm clear about this trade. Moving on to BTC USD. Moving on to BTC USD again, you can see I've drawn a trend line at 4 hours. I've drawn a trend line at 4 hours. If this level, there's a breakout of this level, you can make an entry from here to here. Let's see, right now the market is here, so we'll have to wait till it comes till here. Let us see if there's any possibility for trade in the lower time frame. Let us wait for the possibility of a trade in the lower time frame. This is BTC 15 minutes. Okay. 1 second. 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes. What is happening? All right. There is a possibility now. Yes. 1 hour, 30 minutes, 15 minutes, 5 minutes. See. To 1 hour. Yes. Now, if this level, if you get a breakout of this level, right, you can plan a bullish trade till here. There will be a small scalp from here to here. That can be done. If there's a breakout of this level, if there's a breakout of this level, yes, if there's a breakout of this level, you can plan an entry till here. Yes, but wait for a proper breakout and enter on a retest of that level. Enter on a retest of that level. Yes, that trade is possible. See, I will suggest that when the market comes here, waits, does some time correction here, gives you a retest entry, then you can plan an entry till here. See, because there is a minor level here as well, right? There is a minor level here. So market can come down, get a rejection here, come here to retest and then go up. So yes, this entry you can plan. Till here it will be a small scalp, that is possible. The small scalp is possible, but wait, there is a hurdle here. There is a hurdle, I think you will have to avoid. Sorry. I think you'll have to avoid this trade because there is a hurdle here in between. So yes, we'll go with the earlier trade of bigger time frame. We will wait for it to come here and give us a proper target. We'll wait for it to come and give a breakout of this level. Let the market come here, wait here for some time, give us a retest and an entry. That is what we'll plan. Okay. We will not enter here in hurry because then our target might yet become small. Because see, if you enter at this level, your target, yes, not bad, 24 points you're still getting. You can make an entry. I will bring this level down for you. Then your target will be this and not the above level. If you want to scalp, right, from this level to this level, that scalp is possible, not more. From this level to this level is only the scalp. From this level to this level, your scalp is possible. If price goes above this level, you can scalp till here. 114,489 to 114,736. That is what you can do. 114,492 to 114,733. That scalp you can do. So yes, I think we have discussed the important setups. Keep on tracking the trades that we've discussed. Keep on tracking German 30 BTC. Mark the trend lines. Mark the trades that we've discussed. Mark the zones that we've discussed, and accordingly plan your entries. Accordingly plan your entries. Keep on tracking the different uh, setups, because you do not get an entry only when you want to sit in the market and trade. It's not like I'll set from 2 to 3 and then I'll find a trade and go. You have to be patient and keep on waiting, and when the market gives you an entry, you get an entry. All right, I think guys, we're done for the day. Thank you so much. uh, thank you so much. Please get benefited from the trades that were discussed. Thank you.